It's videos for everybody out there like me that finds out about stuff 6 months after it's released and everybody else has it. But anyhow, I just, in my Amazon feed, this new dust deputy popped up. And this is the old one that I've been using for probably 5-6 years. I'd have a video on building the cart for it and way back when I got it. And I'll put a link to that in the end in case anybody's interested. But I found that Dust Deputy has a new larger one that's actually rated for the large shop vac hoses, the 2.5 inch hoses. So this is the new Dust Deputy 2.5, and there you can see how really it's a lot bigger than the old one, and it's definitely made for the bigger vacuum hoses that you use on the shop vac. Now the little one worked great for all the years, but it always impeded the flow of the vacuum. It just, there was so much, the way the hoses had to go over the outside, things would get jammed in the inlets of it and stuff like that. So I decided it was time to upgrade once I saw this. And you can see that's a cart that I made a while ago. Been working good. Got just a wood top with a gasketed seal around there. So I'm just going to see how much it's going to involve to switch this out with the new one. And I did have the new one comes with mounting bolts, but they're made for a thin pail top, and I have a thicker top here, so I'm just going to reuse the bolts that I had. They're a little bit longer. And I did put locking nuts on them. So let's take it off and let's see how much work we got to do to swap over. Oops, looks like nothing. It's the exact same size. It fits right in there, same bolt holes, everything else. So this is going to be one of the easiest swaps I've done in a while. Now it came with a new gasket too, and that old gasket's pretty beat up looking, so I'll just replace it. Get rid of that one. And all the holes line up, everything's, the exact same pattern, so really just a 2-minute job to swap it out and get a chance to try it. And I will say that, this Dust Deputy is actually one of the most used tools in my shop when I do a lot of cleaning up and stuff. And the old one, I just couldn't put longer hoses on, so I had to drag it around a lot behind me. Where this new one looks like it'll allow higher flows for the bigger hoses, so that'll be a good thing. So there he goes, instant easy swap over there. And there you can see the difference in the size, and just the difference in the inlet size is unbelievable. So this little cart that I made really did work out good. And like I said, I've been using it for I think over 5 years now. And it's really easy to swap out the bucket and change it, and just hook those straps on. They hold everything down, no air leaks or anything. It works good. Would have been nice if they had put that Dust Deputy label on there in black to match the bucket though. But anyhow, let's get out the big shop vacuum hose, and there you can see it. Fits right inside there, so nothing will jam anymore. And it fits right in there, so that's the one to the vacuum. But the biggest problem that I had was this little hose. To use this for my sander and stuff like that, it was impossible. I had to duct tape the two pieces together. It just wouldn't, there was nothing I had that would work for an adapter. And there we go, it plugs right in here, so that's really a big plus for this too. Though it does sit a little bit higher, but basically that's it. And my stand is heavy enough that I'll keep it from flipping over, so that's a good thing. And there you can see really nice big inlets, a little bit taller. It's supposed to be a little bit higher efficiency, I think, than the smaller one too, they're saying. So let's just give it a quick try out. I'm not going to do anything scientific here. I'm going to use the old magic hand there. And you can feel the suction has not been impeded by this at all, pretty much. I feel it without it, and with it, this one is just amazing. You don't even know that it's there, so it's definitely going to make a big difference in the end. And I'll update once I get a chance to use it for a while. I don't want to drag this out too long, but just thought I'd share this with you just in case you haven't seen this yet, like me, and you may be interested in upgrading. I'll put a link to it in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.